Hello and good time. Welcome to seventh session of designing performance management report with different dashboards in different levels, which include organization, teams, and people. If you don't subscribe my page, please subscribe my page and watch my videos and support me with your like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. Let's go and continue the process because we have a lot of great points at the session and I want you enjoy more and more. So let's go and start it. As you can see, I use a different kind of visuals, and I want to use another kind of visual which is interesting for you. So I want to use a line and stacked column chart. It's interesting and beautiful. Okay, select here and here, it's interesting. Okay, and I want to show you a number of employee based on average performance, level, and gender. I think we can use a different uh, titles. Here I want to use a level. Oh yeah, it's here. A level, it's here. It's great. And count of employee ID, number of employee ID, it's great. And level, number of employee ID. So see, we can select gender, column gender here. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, yes, it's true. You can see, and we can have a count of employee ID and average of performance. So we need to have a performance rate. Yes, we can have a performance rate here. I can select average and it's great, but you can see we should make a change here and have a different colors. Here I want, although I learn you how you can use two different color codes, but here I want to learn you how you can create a theme. You can customize the theme because it can help you to have a better result and better view based on your desire. So here in the view, you can select here and you can select customize current theme. You can customize your theme, and here you can name and color, text, visual, and different things we can have. So come here and colors.co, select blue, and here we can select different kind of colors and come here. I want to have the blue, but I want to have some changes here, and this one is interesting. And I think this one is great. Okay, and if we need, we can see different kind of color here. For example, this one is good. Yes, I want to this one. It depends on you. You can create your favorite. I think this one is great. Okay, we have our colors, and for the text you can select this and this font and select your color. I think it's great. Great title. You can select this one. Okay, tab header. In addition, when you can do these changes after that, when you design different visuals or different things you want to do the Power BI environment, you don't have any problem. You don't need to spend a lot of energy, and it's a very good solution. I believe it's very good solution. And select. Yeah, no, control. Okay, and you can come to visual and border, header. Oh yeah, for tooltips it's great to have some changes. It's amazing, and I will show you the change. Okay, and apply. You can apply here. You can see the change here. It's great, and we have all detail, but in the visual I want to have some changes. And so let's go to visualize. Select this one, visualization, and format your visual and turn off the legend. I think it's more beautiful. And go to here and see what happened. I think maybe no, we should turn off title because we don't need the title, and come here. Here you can change the title, number of employees. Great, and I think it's great. And you don't need to change the font or color of the font, because before that we customize our theme. So it's great. If I want to go to general, I want to change number employees and average of performance level by level and gender. It's great and so beautiful, and you can see if you want you use your favorite slicer, and you can see some changes here which happened. Okay, and that's enough. And I think you can complete a organization dashboard. And now I want to go to Teams dashboard. We'll learn a lot here, but be sure there are a lot of interesting points for you in the Teams page. So let's go and start it. I want here to show performance, behavior, target base, and performance rates by department. And so let's go and start it. Come here, go to organization page, and I want to select this one, Control C, come here, Control V, okay, and general, because it's very important. Wide, I think 412, good. Yes, it's amazing, but I think it need here is good. Yes, okay, let's go and start it here. Select here, I want to use cluster bar chart, and it's great. And go to data, and I want to have a department, and here in addition I want to have a behavior performance rate, but not sum. I want the average. It's be more beautiful. And come here, select the data and visualization, basic visual, format your visual, and I want to go to X, turn off the title. No, I want to turn off the title, and in addition the value turn off, we don't need them, and go to erase and turn off the title because I don't need it. And you can see the color, it's okay, the font, it's okay, and you don't have any problem here. So go to data label, select data label, and here you can select the position inside, and it's nice, so you don't have problem here. And I think it's a time, go to bar, yes, here I don't need, because here you can see visualization, format visual, format your visual, and here you should select the bar, and here we want to change the color, a condition, select conditional formatting, and you can select a range of color here. It's so interesting if you want to change the color, and it's not a hard part for you. And okay, you can select here, and you can have another without change. Select the category here and select, for example, this one, and you can see the color change, and maybe you want to select this one and go to BI, and I think you can select this one, HR, you can select, for example, this one, R&D, you can select this one, IT, I think you can select this one, and finance, you can select another type, for example, you can select this one. It's interesting. As you can see, I select different colors, and you don't have any problem here. We have a range of color, it's beautiful, and I think it's a good idea to work with the title. For example, you can write AVG of behavior performance rate, and by department, and we can reduce the size and bold it. It's great. You have this font for behavior rate, and as you can see, the average of performance rate, department, commercial, and it's good. And you can copy this one, Control C and V, and use this part. And we need the data. Remove this and select target base and select average. It's okay, it's nice. And here we have to make some changes. Here the title, and I want to change the title. Target base of performance. It's more nice. So come here, remove this, select performance rate, and select here average, and come to general properties. No, title, average of performance rate by the department. It's nice and beautiful. As you can see here, we have a small change because we can see the organization title. It's good, so better. Thank you. Let's go to another part, and we have a more visual. Control C and V. Yeah, it's great. Control C and V, and it's great. I think this method is good when you can create your shape and you can have a better understanding of the moving your different visuals and their connection with them, with each other, because you can have a big picture of the dashboard. I want to create another visual. Let's go to visual, close data, and select a table. I think it's a table, it's a good here. I want to go to data, select, first of all I want to select the department, come here to indicator and select this one. At this part of report I want to show based on department number of people and the percentage of them higher, who have a higher more, they have a performance more than average, and in contrast who have a performance under the average. And let's go to have a more edit this part. And for totals, here you can see visualization, format my visual and select total and off because I don't need this part. Great. I want to change the style, so let's go to visual, style, press, select minimal, which is nice and beautiful. I think it's great. And here if you click, you can have some changes. It's great, but here you can, it should be the percentage, but we don't have the percentage, it's not good. So we should format visual, general, data format, and we have a different columns. You can see the list of the columns. Select your columns and select the format, select percentage, and I don't need a decimal place, so that's enough. Select the last one here, it's here, and format should be percentage, and that's enough. And here you can see some cell is empty because, for example, in business intelligence as a whole we have 8 employees and all of them have a higher performance, more than average, so here we don't have anything. Let's go and continue. Oh yes, I want to go to organization page and select this visual, Control C, come to teams, Control V. I want this analysis for my teams. I'll select this, but I can make a small changes. I want to have a pie chart. It's beautiful. And I want to create a slicer. So I create another slicer and select here. I think department, it's a great option because our report is based on teams or department. Go to format visual, slicer setting, and I think drop down, it's great. And come here, and I want to line which divided the space between pie chart and slicer. So go to insert and select shape and select line, and so it's a nice. Come here, I think it's great. And here if you can see, select for example different is a commercial, PR is a production, and you can see the chart is changed. It's beautiful, and you can go here and clear all of them. So go to next part, and I want to select another part, Control C and V, come here, shape, Control C and V, it's great. Yeah, it's a good, I think. And we don't have, yeah, we don't have any problem here, so we can solve our problem. Yes, great, great. So let's go to design another visual, and so I want to use the this visual stack column chart. I think it's interesting. No, this one. I want to use this one. It's good. And so let's go come here. Yeah, it's a great. And I want to select department and count of employees here. It's a good. And I think, let me see what I can have. Okay, gender, it's great. And you can see complete great, but come here in the visual and turn off the visual. You can see here, and I don't like to title of equal number of visual, and this part of values. I don't like to do this because I want to use the data label. It's more beautiful. And come here, data label, all position, inside center is good here because I don't have enough environment, so I need more space here. So I want to go more space because it's I can see. So yeah, yes, it's so complex. If I had here, how was it? No, this one is better. I think I can use my environment so better. It's good. And data label, wow, apply setting, position, auto. It's great, but I need more space here. So I should go to canvas setting and find more setting here. Canvas setting, it's 100. That's enough, I think. Yes, now we have enough space to use. It's beautiful, and come here, we don't need the subtitle. For example, in Y we don't need the parts, no value. Okay, don't need the title, it's more beautiful. In the title part, and number of employee, by department and gender. It's beautiful. You can see, for example, we have 19 people and 82 people by gender in production team, and you can analyze all other departments. So that's enough. Come here, and I want to design another type of chart, and so come here, and I want to select this one, line chart. It's good, we have a line chart here. And we can have a, for example, we can have department is good here, and a performance rate, and average of performance rate. And in the legend, I think it's a good idea to use gender. You can see more detail here. It's beautiful. Okay, and come here, and it's great, but I have to work with the visual. You can format, turn off the legend, it's better, and I think you don't need this part. I should change. Let me see the title, average of performance by department and gender. It's good, but here we don't need the department, so turn off the title. It's so better. Yes, it's so better. And I think for the Y you can change here, but I think the number, because only between 2 and 3, it's better between 0, and come here in the visual, format visual, Y, and auto select 05. I think it's better, can show the result. I don't like to show you a beautiful picture. Maybe select between 2.5 and 3. It's so nice, but I think you want to be a better analyzer, and so try, we want to learn the how to design better report. So come here, and it's great. As you can see, I made some changes, and you have it's the final part of Teams report, and you can understand how I design the changes. It's very, very beautiful. And you can see, for example, here, control and click, go to page of home, and go to organization page, because I want to show you we have a significant page, we can have a significant changes, and we have a team report. And in the next session I want to work on the people report. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please write your comment if you have any question, and write and like and share my video, and subscribe my page. It can help me a lot. Thank you very much for your support. You are my motivation, and your support is amazing for me. See you in the next session.